Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tailor Clothing YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly press the subscribe button, share and like. I had already fused the patch pocket and the placket on the outfit before bringing it to the sewing machine. This is a monogram design. I prepared it on the table, fused it, and after that I brought it to the machine to sew it. One thing I want you to know in this is that as you are sewing your patch pocket and the placket, you don't need to rush. You don't need to speed up, okay? Just take it step by step. It is not about the speed, it is about the accuracy. And it is how accurate your threading or your sewing is that brings about good finishing. So when you are fixing your patch pocket and your placket, there's no need for you to rush. As you can see, as I'm sewing this, as I'm stitching this, you will discover that I'm not speeding off. I'm not trying to run anywhere. You can see it now. It is step by step. I'm not speedy. Don't speed it because you need to be accurate, and that's why you have to be careful. Just take a look at it. That's what I'm doing. I'm almost done threading on that. I will be done with the pocket now, and after the pocket I'm trying to top stitch that side so that it will not be pulling off after finishing the outfit. So we'll be going to the placket now. So as you are sewing, ensure that you trim off every thread. Ensure you trim them off. Look at it, see how beautiful this design is. I love it. It was my customer that brought the design, that gave me the design. Now I've started sewing on the placket. Now you can see the way I started. Like I told us, that I already fixed or fused the placket on the outfit before bringing it to the machine. You can see as I'm stitching it slow by slow. Where I'm not rushing on that part is because that place is thick, so I'm using my hand to run the machine so that it will not be gapping and the thread will not be jumping. That's I'm not fast at that point because that area is always thick because of the way I normally fuse my stuff. So you can see I'm doing it. I'm running it down. You do it like that. Ensure that your hand is straight. One of the things you need to do as a fashion designer is ensure you have mastered the art of straight sewing. Ensure you have mastered that, because that will actually play off in the way you sew and how good your outfit is going to look at the end of the day. So we continue to do that. Ensure you arrange your fabric very well. Ensure you arrange it very well and thread slowly, touch it slowly, do it slowly. We are almost done now. So do it slowly, don't rush. Like I've said before now, do not rush. After you have mastered the art of accuracy, you can now master the art of speed. Okay, so it is first about accuracy before the speed. Speed will be a bonus at the end of the day. So when you get to that point, I discovered that I'm trimming off, the excess thread, and I did not cut off everything from the roots. I ensure that it remains small, and I pull it inside so that it will not be shown at the top. So that place you top stitch very well, and at the end of the day, this is what we have. You can see how neat this is. Look at the beautiful design. Kindly subscribe, share and like.